Marami ang nalungkot sa balitang hiwalay na si Maris Racal at ang singer na si Rico Blanco. After 5 years nga ay nagtapos na ang kanilang relasyon. Ayon sa aktres na si Maris, napaka-fresh pa ng nasabing breakup dahil kamakailan lamang ito nangyari. Ayon sa kanyang pahayag, Rico and I, our universe was so beautiful, it was so full of love, music, everything. In our 5 year relationship, we were always on the same page. I don't know what happened to me. Maybe I turned to the next page and saw a new perspective in life. I had visions of who I want to become, how I want to evolve. I'm so curious about the world. And the truth is, I am going through changes. And we know that yung change is either good or bad. But what I hate about change is it's inevitable. Hindi mo siya matatakasan. Wala ka nang pwedeng ibang gawin but to confront it and face it. So yes, I told Rico about it. I told him my problems and my issues and he took it like a man. He took it like a man. It was a very difficult talk because I love him so much and he loves me. But I have so many questions about my life and how will I go on in life with him, and I have so many questions about me and my sense of self. It was very difficult but a very polite separation. After the very end of the relationship, it was still full of love and understanding and Rico is one of a kind. If only I could skip through my 20s, but I can't. I have to face it. I have to sit with my feelings and acknowledge my changes. Matatanda ang 26 years old na si Maris samantalang 51 years old naman si Rico Blanco. Unang nagkaroon ng collaboration ng dalawa noong 2019 sa isang single na ang title ay Abot Langit at nagkaroon sila ng relationship taong 2021. Sa puntong ito ay maraming netizen ang kahit papaano nanghihinayang pero hindi rin naman nila mapipigilan ang mga gusto pang gawin ni Maris lalo na sa kanyang career. Well, ano pong masasabi niyo sa story na ito?